From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning and happy hump day. I'm student meteorologist Luke Snyder here for your Wednesday morning forecast. Taking a live look over the hub right now, you can see we have relatively overcast skies. Not much of that sun is shining on through right now. Looking at the rest of your current conditions, we're seeing a temperature of around 45 degrees with a feels like and dew point of 45 as well. Great visibility at around 10 miles and some calm winds coming in as well. Looking at temperatures and dew points in surrounding areas, the common trend is going to be these upper to mid 40s for your temperature, with a few exceptions over here in the south by Harrisburg sitting around 51 degrees. And as we expand out into the rest of the state as well, you can see that trend is going to continue with those mid to upper 40s and a few areas reaching into the lower 50s. And dew points are going to be relatively close to those temperatures as well, causing a lot of moisture in that air. And as we expand out into the rest of the lower 48, not much differentiation between those temperatures. You can see down here in the south, only sitting at about 10 degrees warmer than the rest of the country. So it's going to be very chilly across much of the U.S. right now. Looking at a bit of a radar and satellite recap, you can see these overcast skies for Pennsylvania right now. And as we take a wider look, you can see a little bit more of a precipitation system forming just west of the Great Lakes region. You can see that's going to be coming through just a little bit later on this week, and I'll talk more about that in just a minute. Looking at your pressure systems in the upper air heights, you can see this low pressure sitting just north of us associated with that precipitation system coming through. And as we move through the rest of the next few days, you can see we have that large trough coming through the area, causing significant low pressure over the Commonwealth region, especially heading into this weekend as well. Looking at that future radar, you can see those clouds coming through the area. But later on this evening, we're expecting a little bit more of clearing skies. And then heading overnight into tomorrow, however, you can see those clouds are going to be coming through just before that rain system moves through the area. So kind of preceding that, those showers we're going to be seeing later on this weekend. We have this cloudiness coming through the Pennsylvania region. And then heading into Thursday evening, we have a very thin band reaching the northwestern portion of the state, more towards the Erie area. And as we continue through, those showers are expected to be making more landfall significantly Friday afternoon and evening into the southwestern portion by Pittsburgh, and expecting to be reaching the State College area later on Friday evening, with some pretty scattered showers for Friday. Heading into Saturday, however, overnight, those showers are going to be moving more towards the eastern portion of the state, coming on through. And then as they wrap around this more kind of circular motion, you can see Saturday morning, those showers are going to be coming in from the north, rather, hitting more of the northern portion of the state. And then we have the separate system right down here over Ohio. You can see that's going to be coming through, reaching more of the southern portion of the state later on into Saturday evening as well, giving Saturday more of a cloudy skies and some more rainy conditions consistently. But then overnight into Sunday, those scattered showers are expected to be clearing up a little bit, just a few remnants later on for Sunday. And then by Sunday evening, we have just some cloudy skies over the Commonwealth region, maybe some broken sunshine coming on through later on as well. And taking a look, you can see Monday heading into the new work week, clear skies for much of the Commonwealth, just a few clouds in the western portion of the state. And then looking at your today forecast, you can see we're reaching a high of around 58 degrees with that minimal sun coming on through, relatively cloudy skies for much of the day, and then some calm winds coming in around 5 miles per hour from the northwest. Looking at tonight, around 41 degrees with that decreasing cloud cover like I mentioned, so some sun might be coming on through later on this evening with winds calming down as well. And looking at tomorrow, reaching a high of 62 degrees with overcast skies before that rain comes on through later on late Thursday evening, with winds picking up just a little bit again around 5 miles per hour. And then for your 7-day forecast, you can see we have those showers again coming on through later this weekend. And by Sunday and heading into Monday for the new work week, you can see temperatures are going to start calming down just a bit, sitting more in the mid to lower 50s. And those clouds are going to be leaving the area as well, leaving way for a great sunny start to the work week ahead. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Snyder. Have a great day.